Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, what you need to do is to install the next packages. Use the following command. After that, change permission to make the file executable and execute the script. You will need some time for the installation, at least 5 minutes, because installation really takes a long time. But after the script installs, reboot the server. After that, browse to your IP addresses and you will see the installation script. Here just point at your domain name, DNS provider and the alternative options. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.